In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about how to properly create a new WhatsApp account after your previous WhatsApp account or accounts were banned for whatever may be the reason. WhatsApp accounts getting banned these days is a trend. To be very honest with you, we never know when our accounts may just be banned, because WhatsApp in their systems have started using AI, and if their systems have the slightest of doubt, they're going to go ahead and ban your account. My account was banned for no reason few months back, but I fortunately got my account unbanned because I didn't do anything wrong. And because of that, I learned a lot of things, because my account was not banned today and unbanned tomorrow or day after. It took at least 2 weeks for my account to get unbanned. So I learned a lot of things. Now, something which is going on the internet as a question, so as to say, is that what if you create a new WhatsApp account using a new number? Will that also be banned? My friend, not necessarily, to be very honest with you. So you see, when you have a WhatsApp account, your phone, your internet IP, your number, your SIM card, everything is gonna be like recorded by Meta or WhatsApp systems. For instance, if you have a Samsung S23 Ultra or any Android device or an Apple iPhone 17 or 18 or whatever, okay, if your account is getting banned from any one of your phone and you remove the SIM card and you put a new SIM card and you re-register a WhatsApp number, it is going to be the same digital footprint, the same device, the same IP address and everything. So if you're going to do that, automatically WhatsApp is going to detect that, and they're going to think that this person is trying to re-register a new WhatsApp number using the same device. I mean, this person may just spam again or violate a policy again or whatever it is. So your account is going to get banned again. The bottom line is, if you want to create a new WhatsApp account because you were innocent, you didn't do anything wrong, you just want to, communicate with your friends and family members, or you want to create a group, a genuine group in which you could, post good videos about life, about, whatever, something good, not to spam or scam others. What you can do is go ahead and get a new device. That's what I would suggest. Or register a new SIM with a new number on a different device and do not connect to the same internet connection. If you were using a Wi-Fi and your account was banned, do not use that same network. Your number, your SIM card, your internet connection, whatever, everything should be new. Only then their systems would think that this is a new account, like a completely new account. Clean, 100%. Now, my intention of this suggestion through my video for today is not to spread the wrong message. If you are a person who is relying on WhatsApp to communicate with your mom, maybe you're working abroad, your mom is somewhere else. If you're communicating with your children, it's very annoying and it's very, very difficult. And these days, when your account is banned, even if you appeal, there is no guarantee whether it is going to get unbanned tomorrow or day after or after a week or 10 days or 1 month or 2 months. There is no guarantee, because most of the time we are in conversation with bots at WhatsApp. So we're going to get like automated messages. So this is what you need to do. Just use everything new. New device, new SIM, new internet connection, new everything. If you like the video for today, which was straightforward, no BS, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.